Kasi parang katawa-tawat that meron na tayong pinanghahawakan na international ruling,
Hindi
hindi
mo na
ba?
kailangan ng Chinese embassy.
Hindi na kailangan talaga. Ito
Oo.
na, ito na. Nasa linya na po natin si retired Supreme Court Senior Associate Justice Antonio Carpio para mahingi ho natin ang kanyang reaksyon doon naman sa mga nabanggit po ni Senador Marcoleta kanina lamang. Good morning po sa inyo.
Justice
Good
Carpio.
morning.
Apo, Igan at Connie. Gusto ko lang,
Hi.
opo,
Good morning, Igan at
Na-monitor
Connie
niyo
at
po ba?
sa mga taga-kinig natin.
ang gusto ko lang pong, sinasabi niya walang West Philippine Sea, kailangan mag-drawing tayo.
Kaya nga sabi ko, ang debate namin, yun ang topic. Is there a West Philippine Sea?
Oo.
Yun dapat.
Mhm.
Of course, ang position ko, there is a West Philippine Sea dahil there is an admissive order Admissive Order 29 issued by President Aquino III in 2012, declaring our waters in the west of our archipelago, our territorial sea and the exclusive economic zone as the West Philippine Sea. So there is an admissive order. Secondly, I've been saying na kulang pa yon kasi ang West Philippine Sea sa admissive order ni Pinoy hanggang exclusive economic zone lang. Meron pang additional
Opo.
yung extended continental shelf. So napasok yan sa Republic Act 12064, yung Philippine Maritime Zones Act.
Opo.
May section doon that the West Philippine Sea refers to our maritime zones. Maritime zones natin our territorial sea, exclusive economic zone, at saka extended continental shelf. So sinabi, yun ang West Philippine Sea, including our maritime features in the Calayan Island Group. That means our territorial sea in the Calayan Island Group. Kasama doon
Kasama.
yung apat na isla na outside our exclusive economic zone.
Mm-mm. Pero
So by definition, ang West Philippine Sea are our territorial sea, exclusive economic zone, extended continental shelf in the West Philippine Sea, in the west of our archipelago, together with including the islands of the Pag-asa of Calayan Island Group na outside our EEZ. So that is a legal definition. So there is a West Philippine Sea under Philippine law.
mm-mm.
Eh kung,
Klaro
may,
yun.
kung may mga legal,
That was passed in 2024, yung Republic Act 12064, and mambabatas si member of the House, si party list member si Senator Marcoleta at that time, party list member siya ng House.
okay, Justice, kung may mga legal na basihan, ayan, mga administrative order, mga batas, sino kausap ni Senador Marcoleta para sabihin walang ganyang mga binabanggit na West Philippine Sea, labas na sino kausap?
Yun ang talking point ng China. Walang West Philippine Sea dahil lahat yan sakop yan ng China under the 10-dash line. Yun ang kasunod dyan. That is the position of China.
Okay. Hindi
Kasi ang sinasabi niya po, Mari, teka lang, tuloy ko
sige
lang.
lang, sige lang.
Kung hindi tayo gagawa ng mapa na lilinawin yan, ang punto daw niya ay pinapalakas nga niya yung claim natin, Justice.
Hindi niya pinapalakas, dinideny niya. Ang claim natin nasa batas na at saka inapprove na ng arbitral tribunal. Sinabi ng arbitral tribunal, we have a full exclusive economic zone in the west of the Philippine archipelago. So West Philippine Sea. Pag meron kang exclusive economic zone, automatically you can ask also for a extended continental shelf. In fact, we filed already sa UN Commission on the limits of the continental shelf an extended continental shelf claim further
Okay.
the Spratlys, further west of the Spratlys, no? So we already filed that
Okay.
sa UN Commission. Ang problema, China opposed it, Vietnam and Malaysia opposed it. Ang next step niyan, dapat we bring it to arbitration dahil under the rules of the UN Commission, pag may opposition, they will not act on it anymore. They will leave it to the countries claiming to bring the arbitration, to file an arbitration para ma-settle. That's why I've been recommending to the Philippine government, mag-file na tayo ng arbitration para ma-decide na yan. Wala naman tayong talo dyan dahil i-divide lang yan among the 3 coastal states, Vietnam, Philippines, and Malaysia. May solution yan Tawag nila equitable solution. Depende sa coastline mo. China cannot get anything because it's more than 350 nautical miles. Under UNCLOS, you can claim only up to 350 nautical miles of maritime zones.
Oo.
Justice, may naghihikayat po na sana wag na lang daw ninyong patulan, in their words, no, ito pong pagdedebating ito dahil baka ito'y lalo pang makapagpahina sa posisyon natin as a nation. Ano po ang inyong tingin dyan?
Well, alam mo, sinabi niya na kasi walang West Philippine Sea. Pag wala tayong mapa, wala tayong claim. That has to be corrected. Kasi nadidinig siya, high government official siya, senador siya. Madidinig ng taong bayan. Baka maniwala. We have to clarify that.
I see.
Na that mapa is just an administrative requirement. Hindi yan essential to our right, to our sovereign right. Yung requirement na may fixed coordinates sa outer limit, that is just an administrative requirement of UNCLOS. Pag hindi mo ginawa yan, walang penalty. Wala kang mawawala sa iyo.
Okay.
Dahil yung right mo to your exclusive economic zone arises because you have a sovereignty over the land. Ang tawag dyan, ipso facto ab initio inherent. Because we have sovereignty over Luzon and Palawan and Mindoro, automatically, inherently, we have an exclusive economic zone. Without need of any proclamation, sabi ng UNCLOS, your right to your sovereign rights to your exclusive economic zone does not need any proclamation by the state. No need for any occupation, actual or notional. So, inherent yan. Pag nakita mo yung isla, di ba, ang makikita mo lang yung tip. Sa ilalim ng isla, that's the slope. Isang parang mountain yan And yung mountain, kasama yan sa territory mo pag up to 12 nautical miles dahil pag tinanggal mo yun, lilitaw ka, baka pupunta ka sa China. In other words, an island has to have a continental shelf dahil yung continental shelf is the one supporting the island. Automatic yan.
Ito bang mga argumento natin ito, tatanggapin naman ni Senador Marcoleta para makorek yung mali niyang pananaw?
Well, pag ayaw niya maniwala, let it be. But we have to tell our people, mali siya. Ito yung tama. Now, we cannot expect 100% of our people to believe that. Right now, 80 to 90% of our people support our claim.
Opo.
Naniniwala. No? Consistent yan sa survey. That's almost unanimous already. We are a democracy. Pwede, Marcoleta can prefer to defend China. We are a democracy. So, but we have to tell the people what is factual, what is legal. We have to correct him.
Yung pong sinasabi niya kasi na narinig ko kanina, no, parang wala daw hindi daw kinikilala ng international community yung WPS, kundi South China Sea. So, and you mentioned sa atin lang pong batas ang West Philippine Sea meron, tama ho ba?
Yes, sa international community, they don't, wala namang mechanism for them to recognize. Ang recognition will come from the arbitral award. Yung arbitral award, nakalagay doon, we have a 200 nautical mile exclusive economic zone. We have sovereign rights and jurisdiction over our EEZ and also our extended continental shelf. Pag may sovereign right and jurisdiction ka, you have a right to name it.
Okay. Malinaw pala yun.
Kasi in-acknowledge na ng International Tribunal,
Opo.
UNCLOS Tribunal, we have sovereign rights and jurisdiction. So nasa atin na, anong gusto natin tawagin? how do we want to call this area na we have sovereign rights and jurisdiction? Pag ikaw may sovereign rights and jurisdiction, nasa iyo na yan. Kung gusto mo tawagin yan West Philippine Sea. Katulad ng Indonesia, tinawag nila yung Natuna, their sea from the Natuna Islands facing the South China Sea. They call it North Natuna Sea.
Mm. Oo.
Okay.
Because that is their own exclusive economic zone.
Okay.
Tayo,
Oo.
sinabi ng tribunal, sa inyo yan. All the resources there belong to you. Although it's not included in your territorial sea, you have sovereign rights to all the natural resources.
Sovereign rights.
You have jurisdiction.
Sa
You
atin
have the
meron
sole
naman.
right to put up an artificial island in the EEZ. So, we can call it our own kung anong gusto natin because
Okay.
in the world, recognize na nila na ating exclusive economic zone yan. Exclusive nga eh. We have the exclusive right to exploit the natural resources.
Pero
So sino bang mag-complain pag pinangalan natin yan West Philippine Sea? Wala naman nagko-complain, si Marcoleta lang eh.
Pero Justice, dun sa International Hydrographic Organization, ang punto niya ni Senador Marcoleta, hindi tayo makagawa ng maayos na drawing. Kailangan mo mag-submit talaga dun ng drawing, coordinates, mapa para yung claim daw natin
May
talagang
pasama
matibay.
pa
Oo.
kalayaan.
Ito yung sa Hydrographic Commission, undersea features lang doon.
Okay.
If you want to name undersea features like Benham Rice,
Okay.
undersea yan. We're not claiming undersea, we're not saying na West Philippine Sea is the undersea. We're claiming the entire area. Iba naman yun. If you want to name an undersea feature, mag-file ka doon. But you don't even have to, wala namang requirement na you have to, by naming it, you acquire anything. Wala naman. Right to name lang yun eh.
Oo.
Yung
Wala namang, you don't acquire any right to exploit the resources.
Kasi pag pinilit daw natin itong drawing natin, marami daw lalabagin na sa UNCLOS, Justice.
Wala
Wala.
naman. Ang UNCLOS requirement lang, we submit the geographical coordinates of the limits. But it is, nakalagay doon, we should submit. But wala namang penalty. Wala namang sinasabi pag hindi mo submit, wala kang exclusive economic zone. Ang daming bansa na hindi nagsasubmit.
So,
Most of the countries have not submitted the coordinates of their exclusive economic zone because wala namang mawawala sa kanila. It is just to inform the world. Dapat nga isubmit natin, but it does not mean na because we did not submit, we have not submitted, wala tayong exclusive economic zone o we are in danger of losing our exclusive economic zone. Wala yan.
Walang ganon.
yung pong, ito, meron kasing nabanggit nung na-interview po namin ni Igan, si Senator Marcoleta the last time. Sabi niya kasi dun sa issue po na nabanggit ninyo dun sa Foreign Agent Act na mag-apply na lang siya. Ang tugon niya daw doon parang meron daw kayong anak na nagtatrabaho o nagtuturo sa isang universidad sa Beijing, kaya kayo daw ang dapat magpaliwanag, dahil kayo daw ay nakikinabang, baka kayo daw ang espiya.
Yung anak ko, American citizen, at saka may asawa na siya, may family siya, he has a doctorate in economics. Nagtuturo siya sa madaming eskwelahan, ngayon nasa Beijing siya nagtuturo. Wala siyang pakialam. Even if my son is there, I am defending the Philippines. I'm not afraid.
Alright, malinaw po. At saka yun dun po sa paglilinaw lang ulit, kasi nabanggit na naman niya na hindi daw kasama sa 200 nautical miles yung Kalayaan Island Group. Ano ho ba talaga? Para lang once and for all.
That is another
nasa batas na
misconception. Yung 200 nautical mile EEZ, that is governed by UNCLOS. Maritime zone lang yan. Yung sovereignty over the Kalayaan Island Group is territorial. That is not governed by UNCLOS.
Okay.
You can have island territory outside your exclusive economic zone. And also, you can have a country can have an island territory within our exclusive economic zone. That's why Vietnam, Malaysia, and China, even China, are claiming islands within our exclusive economic zone because there is no
Mm-mm.
incompatibility. Ibang issue yan.
Okay.
Okay.
Iba yung maritime zone governed by UNCLOS, iba yung territorial. So tayo, part of our Kalaynalan group is located within our EEZ and the 4 islands are located outside.
Mm-mm.
It doesn't mean anything. Separate yan eh.
Okay. Doon sa banta niyang sampahan ka ng treason, sabi mo kailangan may gera. So ngayon, ang naratibo naman niya is hindi na kasi guilty ka raw dahil parang
Yun
meron
nga.
kang binitawang teritoryo para maging maganda yung posisyon natin sa arbitral body.
Ang sabi niya, I will charge you with treason.
Oo.
Wala namang treason during peacetime. Every freshman law student knows that. Sabi niya, hindi bale. I will now pronounce you guilty of treason.
Oo.
So, he wants to be the complainant, the prosecutor, and judge all rolled into one. Anong klaseng tao yan? Na sasabihin niya, I'll charge you, wala palang crime. Hindi bali na. You are guilty already. Ganyan ang sinasabi niya.
Oo.
Ayun po. So, eto ho, tutuloy pa rin ninyo. Hindi rin ho daw magkasundo pala kayo dun sa premise kung saan kayo magsisimula sa debate. Sabi po ng IDP.
Gusto ni Justice tanungin kung may West Philippine Sea o hindi.
Oo.
Doon
Oh,
magsimula.
yun na lang.
Yun na lang.
Simple na lang. Is there a West Philippine
sorry,
Sea? Para
Philippine
wala
Bar
nang
Association.
klaro yan.
Mm-mm.
Every Filipino will understand that. Is there a West Philippine Sea? Yun na lang pag-usapan namin.
Oo.
Okay. At
Pero wala kayong
At saka
binita.
pwede natin idagdag, can the Philippines claim islands in the KIJ outside our EEZ?
okay.
Okay.
Kasi
Justice,
sinasabi niya, wala tayong karapatan to claim 4 islands na outside our EEZ.
Oo.
So simple lang, can we claim those islands outside our EEZ?
Opo. Pero wala kayong binitawang teritoryo.
Ay wala. Paano kaya nga sinasabi ko, iba yung issue ng territory, iba yung exclusive economic zone.
Okay.
Siya ang nagsasabi na wala tayong right doon sa 4 na isla dahil outside yan. Binibigay niya sa China. Wala akong binibigay sa China. I'm in fact challenging China to submit the territorial dispute to arbitration.
Okay.
Because China says kanila yon,
Mhm.
yung KIG. Tayo, atin yon. Sabi ko, let's bring it to arbitration para maglantaran ng anong prueba ninyo.
Okay.
Sana
Justice,
kilalanin din,
Oo.
respetuhin.
ito po, may mga nabitawan din siyang salita kanina na sana parang linawin nyo daw at parang kayo daw ay nanlilinlang at hindi na ipapaliwanag ng lahat ng katotohanan sa issue po ng West Philippine Sea. Ano po ang inyong komento?
Well, dami ko ng video sa YouTube explaining our maritime zone and our territorial islands, our island territories in the West Philippine Sea. Andyan yan, lahat, kompleto.
Mhm. Okay. Baka may mensahe ho kayo muli sa mga taga Kalayaan Group of Islands na lang na medyo parang ano sila, no? Nasaktan. Pero talagang sabi nga nila,
Hintayin na lang natin yung date kung matutuloy itong
Oo,
debate ito. Kasi ako, sabi ko, Justice, sa simula pa lang, wala nang dapat pagdebatehan.
pero kailangan yun linawin.
Aminin niya na merong West Philippine Sea dahil nasa batas natin eh.
Oo nga.
Member siya ng Congress when it was passed. Di tapos na.
Oo, tanggapin na lang yan. Justice,
That is our right to declare a West Philippine Sea dahil we have sovereign rights and jurisdiction.
Opo.
Pag sinasabi niya wala ng West Philippine Sea, iba na yon. At, wala tayong magawa kasi belief niya yan eh. Pero sa atin, nasa batas natin yan. Wala tayong magagawa. It's in our law.
Okay. So tutuloy niyo po ang pagbibigay linaw dito po sa mga issue ng West Philippine Sea.
Yeah, kasi pag pabayaan mo si Marcoleta, mako-confuse. Kayo, nako-confuse na rin kayo. So I have to explain it correctly.
Opo.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
Justice, ingat ka. Salamat po sa oras.
Thank you.
Okay, sige, bye.
Retired Supreme Court Senior Associate Justice Antonio Carpio.